today I am going to be attempting to make lasagna. So I have the lasagna noodles. I have 2 boxes of the lasagna noodles, 2 boxes of the tomato sauce. I have the tomato, garlic, and onion, and I have 4 cheese tomatoes. Then I have the 3 bags of the cheese, the mozzarella, the parmesan, in Italian style, also the ricotta cheese, and ground turkey. I think that's all I need. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna cook the meats first. Alright, y'all, so excuse the dirty stove. I just cooked my dad's meat first because he doesn't eat beef, so I cooked him ground turkey and put it in a bowl like that. And now I'm cooking the ground beef. For my seasonings, we're gonna use nature seasoning because my family don't eat salt, and it only got a little bit percent of salt in there. We're gonna use some onion powder and garlic powder. That's about all I use to season my meat with. Anytime I cook ground beef, that's the only 3 things that I use because I mean, ground beef really already have a little bit of flavor, so you don't want to make it too salty. But with ground turkey, now I might dump the whole thing of salt in there. Because my dad don't really like salt, we're not gonna go. Well, he can't eat salt because of high blood pressure. I ain't really putting that much in his food. He only get a dab. Okay, now we're gonna do the garlic powder. And I don't have my tripod. My ring light broke, so yes, I'm holding my camera to film off my phone. Actually, I don't even use my camera. It's in my room. But you can go real heavy with the garlic and the onion powder. That's really where the flavor gonna come in at, from the garlic powder, I believe so. And now we're gonna take the onion powder, sprinkle some onion powder. Boom, 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 boom. And then let's cook it up. I got it on 5 just so we could, you know, cook a little quick. Okay, I'll be right back after the meat brown a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to take my 2 eggs, crack 1 egg, I'm going to put a few scoops of the ricotta cheese inside. Oh my gosh, it's raining like that. It's raining. Okay, I finally got the ricotta cheese open. I'm gonna put a few scoops in there. Maybe a lot of scoops. 1, 2. Okay, yeah, I don't need a whole bunch, y'all. We're just gonna put. Oh, shit. Because I got a lot of lasagnas to make, y'all. Well, I gotta make 2, so I just want to make sure I have enough. And who uses ricotta cheese on a daily anyways? Not me. Okay. 1 more scoop. That should be enough. And then I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, a little bit of Italian cheese, and a little bit of mozzarella. So we're gonna start with the Italian cheese first since it's open. I just eyeball it. Ain't really, you know, a certain amount that you gotta put in. Look, you put my camera right. You're not. It's there. Okay. Then we're going with the Parmesan. Okay. Forget it. We're gonna go in with the mozzarella. Okay, yeah. This will be fun. I can see the difference. Okay. bit too much cheese. Definitely. But we're gonna stir this and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so now the meat is done browning. So I'm gonna, oh, and you can look over here and the noodles are boiling. I just let them boil for about 5 minutes or so, just so I can make sure that they be cooked. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my sauces. I got 3 sauces, the tomato, garlic, and onion sauce. I'm gonna pour a little bit of that inside. I have the 4 cheese tomato sauce. I'm gonna pour some of this. Now I'm gonna stir before I mix the other 2 in. You want this part to be really saucy so that it can spread thin so that you have enough. This is 1 whole roll of ground beef. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with some more sauce. This time I have the tomato, basil, garlic sauce. And we're just gonna dump that whole thing in there. The rest of what's left, because remember I told y'all I had to make my dad's first. And I'm also put a little bit of Alfredo into it. Make sure my noodles ain't getting too green. That look like they're starting to fold up a little bit. Okay, this needs some more tomato sauce. I knew I was gonna need a lot. Dump the rest of the 4 cheese. I don't really like the ragu brand. I tasted all of them separately, and the ragu tastes more like ravioli, I guess. So I don't really want to use that much of that. And I saw a guy he cooked the white cheese. It kind of looks like he cooked the Alfredo from scratch. So that's why I picked up Alfredo for mine too. So I'm just gonna use a little bit because I don't want it to taste like a pasta. Okay. Put a little bit more. Even though it is a pasta, right? Yeah, but I don't want it to taste like chicken pasta or, you know, Alfredo pasta. Just a little bit. Make it a little bit creamy. So this is about the consistency that you want to have it. And next I'm going to be showing you how I plate it in the pan. So until then. Alright, so this was the last step. I just coated it with cheese. I don't know if y'all saw my camera fall or not. Whew. But I coated it with 3 cheeses. I use mozzarella, Italian, and Parmesan. After you do that, you're just gonna stick it in the oven for about 45 minutes on 350 and then eat. Okay.